Hi friends, my name is Josh and today we've got a really quick and easy piano tutorial for you. Today we're going to be looking at the song Viva La Vida by Coldplay. Let's take a look at what we're going to learn today. Alright, and so that's going to be the basic pattern that we're going to play through the whole thing, okay? So let's get started. We're going to look at just the chords that we are going to use first, okay? So here's going to be our first chord. We're going to start on a D flat major 7 chord, okay? So we'll play D flat, A flat, and D flat in the left hand, and then F, A flat, and then this top C, which is going to be our major 7th in the right hand there. Okay? Next up, we're just going to move everything up in the left hand. So now we'll have E flat, B flat, and E flat, and then we'll go to G and B flat in the right hand. Okay, this is going to be an E flat chord. All right, next up, we're going to go to an A flat chord, A flat, C in the left hand, and then E flat, A flat, and I like to add this B flat on top as well. So you can actually call this an A flat add 9 chord, because this is the 9th. And lastly, we're going to go just to a normal F minor chord. So F and C in the left hand, F, A flat, and C in the right hand. All right, now we're just going to repeat those 4 chords. So first we have our D flat major 7, E flat, A flat with the added 9th, and F minor, okay? There you go. All right, so now let's take a look at the rhythm that we're gonna be playing. I'm gonna count it out nice and slow so that you can practice along with it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. All right, and then once you practice that a bit, play it up to speed, it sounds like this. There you go. Now there is just one section in the song where the chords do change a little bit. It's near the end of the song, I think after the 3rd time through the chorus, and it's just an instrumental part, just a few measures long, and it sounds like this. All right, and if you listen to the song, you'll kind of pick that up. Okay, so all that is similar to what we've played before. We're gonna start with a D flat major chord. This time I'm just gonna play the top D flat, okay, instead of that C. Okay, so that's gonna be our first chord. Then we're gonna go to our F minor now, okay? And we're just doing that same rhythm that we practiced before. Okay, you play that 3 times, and then after 3 times of that, you're just gonna go right to our E flat chord. And that's gonna be basically the same pattern that we've played before as well. Okay, and then you're just gonna go back to our main chord progression. The only other thing that I wanna mention is that sometimes throughout the song, instead of going to our A flat chord, like this one here, we're actually gonna go kind of to a C minor chord. Especially at the end of the song, you can kind of hear that as it's nice and slow and fading out. So it'll sound like. And that's kind of how we're ending the song, using that C minor chord instead. But that will wrap up this tutorial of Viva La Vida by Coldplay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know down in the comments what other songs you want to see tutorials for. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.